When it comes to hard work, West Michigan counts on West Michigan tractor sales right here in Holland. From compact tractors to heavy-duty equipment, we've got the machines that keep your farm, property, and business running strong. Our lot is packed with trusted brands, attachments, and accessories designed to tackle every job, big or small. At West Michigan Tractor Sales, you're more than a customer. You're part of our community. So whether you're moving fields, moving earth, or managing your land, we've got the power, reliability, and service you can depend on. Stop by West Michigan Tractor Sales in Holland today, or visit us online and put us to work for you. West Michigan Tractor Sales, where hard work meets horsepower.